Welcome back to my channel. Imagine waking up with stronger, thicker hair, without pills or expensive oils. Just spray this powerful water before bed, and let it work while you sleep. Introducing the Overnight Hair Growth Water. This ancient blend repairs, strengthens, and awakens your hair follicles while you rest. Let's learn how to make it. Ingredients and benefits. Black seeds 1 tablespoon. Known as kalonji or nigella seeds, black seeds are rich in thymoquinone, a compound that stimulates hair follicles, reduces inflammation, and treats scalp infections that cause hair thinning. Fenugreek seeds 1 tablespoon. These golden seeds are rich in nicotinic acid and protein, which rebuild weak hair shafts, stop hair fall, and even help reverse thinning. Fenugreek also blocks DHT, the hormone linked to hair loss. Mint leaves 1 tablespoon, fresh. Mint boosts circulation to the scalp and provides a cooling sensation that reduces itching, irritation, and dandruff. It also encourages new hair growth by keeping follicles active. Rose petals 1 tablespoon, dried or fresh. Rose petals are rich in natural antioxidants and vitamins. They soften hair, balance scalp pH, and add a natural fragrance that relaxes your mind for deep sleep. Optional tip. You can also add 1/2 teaspoon of aloe vera juice if you want added moisture and scalp healing properties. Ingredients list. Black seeds 1 tablespoon. Fenugreek seeds 1 tablespoon. Mint leaves 1 tablespoon. Fresh rose petals 1 tablespoon. Fresh or dried, water 2 cups. Optional. Aloe vera juice 1/2 teaspoon. DIY water preparation. Take 2 cups of water in a pan. Add black seeds, fenugreek seeds, mint, and rose petals. Bring it to a gentle boil for 5 to 6 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it cool completely. Strain the water and pour into a spray bottle. Store in the fridge for up to 7 days. Optional. Add a few drops of rosemary oil or tea tree oil for added antifungal benefit. How to apply, nighttime ritual. Before going to bed, part your hair in sections. Spray the water directly onto your scalp. Gently massage for 1 to 2 minutes to boost blood flow. Do not rinse. Leave it overnight. Repeat every night for 7 days and watch the magic unfold. Why it works while you sleep. While you sleep, your body enters repair mode. Your scalp absorbs nutrients better during rest, and stress levels are low, perfect for hair growth. This overnight spray delivers essential compounds right to your follicles when they need it the most. Try this for 7 nights and feel the difference. Comment, 7-night hair challenge, if you're starting today, and don't forget to share your results. Your hair doesn't need expensive treatments. Just consistency, care, and a little nighttime magic. Spray it, sleep, grow. Thank you for watching.